Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do a little bonus cash stuffing today. Again, I'm just like adjusting my microphone because it's like so close to my mouth because my shirt collar is so high. Okay, hopefully that's better. Yes, so we're gonna do a bonus cash stuffing, another one. I know I just had one. Let's see, today I don't know what day you're going to see this, but I just had one last week, I guess, if I'm right with my dates and when my videos are going to be posted. But anyway, I'm getting $50 from a bank account buffer. And the reason I'm able to do this is because I just got paid right before or like right when I left for my trip. So this buffer is coming out of like the next, like this paycheck, whereas the last bonus stuffing, that buffer was from like my last paycheck. Hopefully that makes sense. So we're going to do 50. I feel like there's three main things I want to do with it, even though it's only 50. I know the first one is I want to put some money towards my dog, and the other two, surprise, surprise, I forget. So here's what I want to do. I was going to put some money towards my savings challenge that I have going for my dog. However, instead of doing that, what I decided is I'm just going to put some here in the sinking fund because I need some money for her grooming. And I believe, I'm not positive when it is, but I believe it's like within a week or two after we get back from the cruise. So I want to make sure this is enough money in here to pull out for her grooming. And then that way, I'll still continue the savings challenge. That's a $75 savings challenge I'm doing for her. And once that's done, we can put that back in here to start replenishing this a little bit, rather than just taking, trying to finish the savings challenge and not quite getting it done. I think this is smarter. So we have 49. Her grooming is 55. So we really only need 6, but I think I'm going to do 15. So yes, I'm using a calculator to add 49 plus 15. Don't judge me. That would be 64. Or should I just do 20? No, let's leave it at 15 since I only have $50 here. And okay, so we're gonna put 15 towards Penelope. Now, it is all prop money because I actually haven't even gotten paid yet, so I don't technically have the money yet. But once I do get it, I will transfer it to savings. But I like real cash in her fund, but that's okay. I could just exchange this out at some point. 15. Okay, so let me add this on my tracker really quick. I'm trying to think. I had real cash. Where was it? I think in my 2025 binder. Let me actually really quickly see if I have $15 I could exchange out because I am going to need to pull this money, like I said, for her appointment, whenever that is. And if I don't have time to get any other cash, let's just see what we have. Okay, no, that's not going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could at least do the 5, and then I'll have to worry about the 10 at another time. So that's fine. I'm not going to go through all my envelopes now. I mean, unless I happen to like find some change or real cash, I guess I should say, as we're going along. But if not, I'll worry about it at a later time. Okay, how are you? I hope you're well. As I said, I don't know what date this is going to air, but I am still pre-filming. We are going away tomorrow, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I still have so much to do. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 today before we go. Because I just have so much to do. I still didn't finish packing yet. I want to get my nails done. A little bit more cleaning in the house. I did get some things done today so far, but I'm like busy, and filming and editing is part of that as well. Okay, so 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 64 in here. That is a lot of ones. That's okay, I guess. All right, so that, I feel good about that. Now, the question is, what are the other 2 things that I wanted to do? Because you guys know me, and you know I forget absolutely everything. I think they were just in like my regular savings challenge binder. Let's see. Oh, one was the monthlies. Okay, so this is the second thing. So glad I remember that. So this, the Candy Miser told us this month we're saving towards vacay, and I already got, you know, my last paycheck for the month, but I wasn't able to finish this challenge, so I wanted to try to finish this out today. These are called My Time to Shine. This one's a digital download in my shop. 12 challenges in the same download, one for every month of the year, and every challenge adds up to $26 because it's 2026. So let's see how much we have left to go here. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So $11 here in this one. And I'm just going to write monthlies. And yes, I am writing down everything I do. So let's grab $11 here from my prop money box. And that is going to get us to 26, which is excellent. So we have 10, 25, and 26. Hey, look, a 10. I could switch that out in Penelope. I'll probably just do that now, because why not? So this is done. The monthlies are finished. We were able to get, sorry, I keep shaking you, the full $26, which is perfect. And next time we do our savings challenges, we will go ahead and choose a new category for that. That worked out really nicely. Okay, so we now have the finished challenge. What I want to do is just get one of my dashboards here and write 26 and then write vacay, and we will stuff this actually in the sinking funds video, the sinking funds count up for this month, which I'm actually going to film right after this. So I'm just going to actually just leave that right there because I'll need that soon. Okay, so we had 50. We did 15 for Penelope and 11 for the monthlies. It means we have $24 left. Let's just go through this sinking funds binder here and see. I thought there was a third thing that I wanted to do, but now I'm like, I don't know. Was there? Was there? Can you guys tell me? Let's see. I mean, $24 obviously is not a lot, but it's something. Maybe I should put some towards the fair because I only have a few dollars in there. Emergency and birthdays. Yeah, I guess maybe there was just those 2 main things I wanted to do. Okay. I could do Christmas. That's super important. Let's do 1 or 2 here in the fair because why not? And then maybe just a few dollars into Christmas. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, where is my scratcher? Here we go. Okay, so this was from Saving with Shalonda. I say this every time, but she's not on YouTube or Etsy anymore, I don't believe. Okay, let's roll a 6-sided die and see which section we should be scratching. Section 5, that's already done. Really? Section 1, so we have $3. So subtract 3, and let's go maybe 1 or 2 more. It depends. Section 5 again. Section 1 again. 2. So $2 more here. And then 2. That was like the worst roll ever, but that's okay. Okay, now here's where we get ourselves into trouble because... Oh, section 2. I was thinking this was 2. This is going to be a whammy for sure. I'm almost positive. I'm assuming there's 1 in every section. So if this is a whammy, we have to go again. And it is. And it doesn't say double on this one, but the rest do. So I'm assuming we need to double. So that means we need to go again and double what we get. 4. Okay. I don't want the 3. A 2. Okay, so we're gonna have to put in $4 more because we're doubling this 2, and then that is it for this one. So minus 4. So we only have $15 left now. And you guys, I kind of like forget what we were putting in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I was subtracting, but I wasn't adding. Like, I was subtracting from our total, but not adding what we needed to put in. Shoot. Okay, I'm going to have to go and review the footage because I literally cannot remember what I just scratched off. This is my brain. So I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I had to go back and review the footage, and then my camera was doing something wonky. Like, it kept blinking and blinking, and I had to restart my phone. Hopefully that is not a sign that my phone is on its way out. We will hope. Okay, so it was $9 for those of you that were screaming that at me. Thank you so much. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $9 going in towards the fair. So we now have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $28. My goal is probably about 200, so we have a little ways to go yet. Okay, and we have $15 left. What do we want to do with the last $15? Should I put it in Christmas? I probably should. Or maybe 5 to the dog and 10 in Christmas. I know I have an IOU in Christmas. Let me see what it is. Oh, it's 13. Okay. All right, let's do that, I guess. Let's put the 15 in here. After our IOU, we only have $2 left, so I'm just gonna have another IOU, but that's okay, I guess. I really need to ramp up the Christmas savings for sure. So we'll take this off. That's done. I'm going to put the 15 here and we'll count it in a second. But let's go ahead and scratch another one. This is Festive and Feisty. It's a binder in my shop. This is only half the binder because I completed the rest last year, so I'm just finishing it out. But my version is $2,000. It also comes in a $1,000 version, and it comes on rings. I just have it in a binder because I didn't, need the rings for myself, but it does come on rings. I feel like I never mentioned that. Okay, so we are on Don't Get Your Tinsel in a Tangle, and we only had, let's see, we had a $13 IOU, so we have $2 left. And let's scratch one and hope we don't get like a 30-some, because that will be a humongous IOU. And I feel like I want to go here, but is that a mistake? Can you guys tell me? I don't know. Or should I go here? I'm just going to go here, the original one that was calling me, and let's see. Hopefully I don't have like a $30-some IOU. Ooh, okay, it's a 4. Yes. Love, love, love that for me. So now I only have a $2 IOU. Excellent. I could not have even predicted that that would go that well. Okay, super happy with that. So we owe $2. So let me go ahead and fix this. And then we will put in the money and then count it up, and I'll let you go. Very short one today, but that's okay. And then I'm going to immediately go and film my sinking funds count up. Okay. So 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 258, and it's actually 260 with our $2 IOU. So perfect. Okay. So that's it for this one, guys. Short and sweet, as I said, but thank you so much for watching till the end. Oh, let's see. We put $15 into Xmas. I don't know why I like to write it down. I just do. I just do because I just do. So let's actually see. 15 and 15 is 30 plus 11 is 41 plus 9 is 50. Perfect. Just wanted to make sure that my math was mathing there. Okay, that's it for real. I love you. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will catch you in the next video.